team. Now the next step is we going through the whole workflow of things through Tranzact ERP. So wherein we will demonstrate one full cycle of events, starting from getting an order to uh, ordering the raw materials and then manufacturing this particular product and then shipping it out. So for that, I have we are assuming that we have made some test buyers and test sellers and test finished goods. This is just for the demonstration purpose. So for the ease of things, we are going to call our customer as test buyer company, if you can see here, and and our and we are the buyers, the vendors from which we are taking the raw materials. We're going to call them test supplier. And coming to the item that we are producing for the demo purpose, it is called demo F finished good 1. So this is the item that we are going to produce as part of the workflow ERP workflow demonstration. And so demo FG1 is made out of the following things. This is the bill of materials that we are considering for this particular demonstration. So in that we are telling, in order to manufacture one demo finished good, we need demo raw material fabric 5 meters and demo raw material foam 2 kilos. So this is what is required. And we are also mentioning that this whole thing is an output of these raw materials and these 3 operations. So one is fabric cutting, one is fabric stitching, and then the next is upholstery. So any finished good is made up of raw materials and operations. So this routing is basically the different operations involved in getting the finished good. And then there is an option there, then here is the charges where we can mention the charges as well, every different charges. So this will give you a proper idea of the cost. So if you click on bill of material cost, you get this information. So now having said that, uh, I'll also tell you about the different accounts that I've created for the demo purpose. So it's based on the job roles. Like this is a demo sales account. So it has all the sales permissions, like all the permissions like creating order confirmation, creating an invoice. All those permissions are given to this demo sales account. And then there is another demo purchase account which has all the permissions for a purchase or sourcing manager, so wherein you can issue a purchase order to all our vendors. So this is typically the functionality given to this role. And then we have the next one being demo store. This is a warehousing role. So this particular account has all access to all the inventory modules. um, so this is the guy who has all, like, who can receive all the materials, invert it, and increase the stock once it's inverted, or manually edit the stocks. So then that this particular account has all those abilities. And then the last role being the production role, where this guy has all the privileges in production. He can start a process, book it and mark it into WIP, and mark it as finished. So all those permissions are available for this particular account. So with this 4 accounts and a test buyer and a test supplier and a demo FG, which is made of demo raw material fabric and demo raw material foam, and 3 operations, namely fabric cutting, fabric stitching, and upholstery, we will demonstrate the entire workflow through the CRP.